But now?
Not really. Did you want to check the inside?
Yeah. I was just curious.
It's not really pretty, but oh my god!
Wait, what is that? What is
The
that?
Barbie's wig.
She has a lot of hairs in here.
I need to organize. I am putting some my DIY things here. I already have these, but these
That's
are
a
extra. More Barbie shoes. Something random. It's a heat gun for
DIY?
yeah. When I do resin, I really need to make this more Barbie-nized. So even this thing, I put Barbie, so it looks cute. Yeah. And then it's a power drill. That's my favorite thing.
That's pink too.
Yeah, I love this. I love this.
すごいな.
So here's my kitchen and nail area. This thing is another Barbie banner from Toys R Us. I got this when they closed down and I bought on eBay. And here I want to share something. So I'm a professional nail artist. And these are some nail tips. So these are human size, but they match to Barbie's outfit. Like, see, they match to Juicy Couture Barbie designs or Hard Rock Cafe Barbie, or yeah, as you see, they're like totally inspired by Barbie's outfit. Yeah, and so far I made over 200, I think. And I'm not selling them or anything, but it's just for fun. Yeah, it's just between me and Barbie. They're not really functional. Like some of them would totally bother you. You know, you cannot do anything with them. And I have a couple more doors here. Here, these are all Barbie notebook thing. Barbie. I'm so excited. Barbie. It's not even open yet. Yeah, like all Barbie notebooks. I have some Barbie nail stuff. It's like armrest. That's Barbie. So look at Barbie. I usually work with gel, so I don't put nail polish, but Barbie nail polish. Barbie. Yeah, I have a lot of Barbie polishes. Yeah, on this side, it's like Barbie fashionistas, but my version. Yeah, so I mostly dress them into pink color and a pink and black. They're all like diverse. Yeah, I like them a lot. And here my YouTube plank. I customized. It used to be just regular silver, but mine is metallic pink. And more pink boxes from 80s and early 90s. I always get asked about this clock. So it's a Barbie cloth clock. It just came out like this. I mean, mostly like this. I just painted the numbers part, and also I customized the centerpiece. But it already had these clothes. It's pretty. And Barbie calendar. And some Barbie statue. Yeah. These wall shelves were originally white, but I just painted and put Barbie stickers. And then all Barbie coffee mugs. Yeah, these are Sugar Fina Barbie collaboration. I wanted to display like this, so I had to get 2 for each. You know. I already ate them, so inside it's just regular M&M. But yep, it was expensive. $7.50 for each box. $7.50. And more candy stuff. It's from Tokyo Sky Tree Barbie. And more candies. I just love these Barbie labels. Oh, so pretty. So that's why I always keep packages.
What's that?
It's candle.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah. I still keep one left, but when you burn this candle, the Barbie ring will come out. There's one surprise.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. There's one like a little pouch inside. And when you burn everything and it comes out.
Did you burn this one?
Yes.
With a ring.
Oh, sure. I'll bring it. The Barbie ring.
The Barbie.
Barbie ring.
The Barbie ring. The Barbie ring.
Like these are from that candle. Yeah. My jewelry box is so messy, but I have all Barbie accessories. But I made this. And I bought this. Oh my god! What's going on here? Something Barbie. Another Barbie ring.
That's big.
Yes, that's heavy. This is my DIY Barbie tray. I'm thinking to cover with resin next time maybe. And I got Barbie microwave. I made it this way. The Barbie kitchen. Kitchen is my favorite area actually. It's a Barbie shelf. This Barbie shelf is another DIY. And Barbie tray and some Barbie art and a Barbie teapot. Yeah, it's a salt and pepper shaker, but I never use them. And here, wall decor, Barbie sign, and my Barbie fridge, my favorite Barbie fridge. And with the same logo I did, I customized my pop-up oven toaster. And this cereal box is just for display. It's from 30 years ago and it's empty. And more Barbie thing. I just wanted to fill the wall with all Barbie items. And every inch you see some Barbie. And more Barbie stuff. Barbie canister, Barbie lunchbox. And I want to show you something. And this Barbie caboodle, when you open it, I have some like a baking stuff. I love baking and cooking, and I always put this little Barbies on the cupcake or cake or something.
What's that? The face.
Oh, so I have a cake mold. Oh yeah, even inside of cabinet, I recently DIY, so it's pink and Barbie. I have this cake mold. I did it one time. When you bake, you put this face
Yeah.
at the end. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you mean, but I cannot imagine how
I really did it once. Yeah. Yeah. So even inside of cabinet, so I mostly have like Barbie play. But these are all Barbie play. Yeah. The Barbie. It's a beets powder, the restaurant size beets powder. It's the must item for my pink food cooking. Yeah. I have Barbie zip bag. Barbie. Isn't that cute? I regret, that I didn't buy it like dozen of these.
You just have one?
Yes. It's so special. I only use that one for some special occasion. はい。しまわなくなった。
なんで
Why? I close it.
なん
Why?
で
What happened? I even painted the stove top. Yeah, I have pink stove top. It's kind of dirty right now, but yeah, it's pink. Cake stand. Cake stand. I always have some sweets, like candies and chocolate. And I have Barbie cupcake oven. That's pink. And recently, my latest DIY is this, the Barbie floor tile. Yeah, it's not done yet. I need to work, finish on this. But so far, it looks so pretty. Yeah.
How long did you take to make just one tile?
One tile, paint and dry for 1 hour, and put the thing, cut out the calendar and glue it, and wait for another 30 minutes and 2 hours. And put the resin, and you have to dry for overnight. So I don't know.
It's like a whole
whole day.
Whole day.
Yep. And then the reason why I'm doing little by little is, if I did everything at once, I cannot do anything here.
Oh yeah, true.
You know, I cannot cook. I cannot even open the fridge. I cannot do dishes. So that's why I'm doing like a 1 or 2 tiles. I'm finishing soon. I also want to start working inside of the fridge. Yeah, that's my another idea. Yeah.
But now?
Not really. Not really. But I have a lot of Japanese.
What's in her fridge?
I really don't want to show you, but
The real Barbie life.
pink bread. It is that one I recently made. Chocolate.
You really like candies and snacks.
Or because recently my Japanese friend, they sent me some packages with all the Japanese chocolates and sweets. So that's why I have a lot of. But I have something from Pink Fruit Cooking, like pink Korean juice, raspberry jam. There's like the pink pasta
You have
sauce.
a lot of pink stuff in there.
Pink pickles I recently made. Yeah. But I also have something boring, like see, letters. Like a regular person,